Hi, this is Jackie with the Builderall team. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add tags manually to your list. We're going to click on See Lists. It's going to open up like this, and we are going to use the one at the bottom. We're going to hover over the arrow and click on Subscribers. We are going to use these 3 subscribers and adding the same tag to all of them. You can also choose to do it individually. I might be saying I want all of them except this specific one. But in this case, we want to use all of them. Then right here it says Actions. We're going to click on Actions. And you will see if we say Use from Text, they are all stipulated right here. And then we're going to choose to add a tag. So you can see that we already have a tag there. I'm just going to backspace. You can choose to go add additional tags. And if there's no tag there and you want to create additional one, you can do that by adding another one. So I'm just going to say webinar, and you can see it's been added. Then you need to choose the list. So we know that it's the list that we've chosen already, and we're going to click Save. Now those tags has been added. All you need to do is close, and I'm just going to refresh the screen. Once it's been refreshed, we're going to go back to the training list. Hover over it, go to the subscribers, and let's see whether the tag has been added. There's actually 2 ways of seeing that. The first is to go and click on Edit, and you're going to see the subscriber has been added those tags. You can also choose to remove a certain tag. So if I want to remove that and I just want to leave it, I can click on Update, and it will change that specific one. So if I go back to that one, you will see that it only has that tag. Let's see if the next one has got all 3 of them. We're going to click on Edit, and you're going to see all 3 of the tags are sitting there. Another way to filter it is by using the segment filter, which we will do in another training session. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in another.